Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of ExcelR in Bangalore, a pioneer in providing upskilling and professional courses for young aspirants as well as seasoned professionals. Our two office branches offer advanced classroom training in the Silicon Valley of India, in which one is located in BTM layout, first stage, next to Tata Motors showroom, a 5-minute walk from the upcoming BTM layout metro station, yellow line of the metro. And the other classroom branch is in Marathali, which is just 2 minutes away from the underpass, above Cult Fit, on the service road towards Silk Board. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 200,000 plus students. We've also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies for our commitment to excellence in training and upskilling. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms that are equipped with high-definition projectors, state-of-the-art acoustics that ensures every student, even those at the farthest point in the classroom, enjoys a practical and effective learning experience. Our classrooms are not just simple classrooms, but they are hybrid classrooms, which means the same classroom session is also streamed online at the same time. This technology equips you to attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience if you miss any classroom session for any reason. This enables you to maintain consistency in your learning journey. Want to get started? Join us for a demo or a career chat over a cup of coffee at any of our branches in Bangalore. ExcelR. We don't just train, we build careers.